Hello, my name is Maureen and I am the CEO of NWA, the Nanotechnology World Association. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you to this NanoScientific Symposium on Global Collaboration, our 2021 Latin America Brazil virtual event, sponsored by NanoScientific, Park Systems, Physics World, and NWA. Over the next 2 days, you will hear great speakers and presentations covering a wide range of topics under the general theme of global collaboration. For the past 18 months, we have witnessed firsthand two global trends which were already in place continue to accelerate. First, the nanotechnology revolution, one of the biggest global forward acceleration in the history of science, has continued to expand from research to applications to commercialization and industry adoption. And also, a significant part of the world's workforce have replaced office meetings with Zoom calls, conferences with web conferences, and face-to-face collaboration with virtual workspaces. All of us here today, being professionally involved in nanotechnology and who have started to adapt to the new virtual wave, have been feeling this acceleration more so than anyone. This transformative tsunami has created both challenges and opportunities. On the nanotechnology front, as a number of discoveries and companies and applications are rapidly expanding, we are still facing the usual persistent challenges such as scalability, financing, commercialization, and industry adoption, but now on a larger scale than ever before. On the virtualization front, there is, of course, the need to adapt to new ways of networking and collaborating. Just last month, in a panel discussion on whether the world should be competing or collaborating on the development of urgent new technologies, Professor Ian Walmsley, Provost of Imperial College London, clearly stated how essential international collaboration is for research to increase our chances to find transformative ideas. When he was asked when and how to collaborate and at what stage of development, he suggested, and the panelists agreed, that the best recipe for success might be early stage collaboration followed by later stage competition. Collaboration at an early stage therefore means developing relationships for the purpose of jointly tackling problems and achieving shared goals in ways that are not possible when acting in silos. No individual has all the relevant information, knowledge, expertise, experience, and resources to solve complex problems alone. The same applies to disciplines where interdisciplinary teams have broader perspectives and richer toolboxes to successfully overcome big challenges. According to the firm Schroeder and Schroeder, the proven benefits of collaboration include securing access to capital, expertise and facilities, sharing the cost and risk of major projects, improving quality, efficiency, and innovation. Reid Hoffman, one of LinkedIn's co-founders, said, "No matter how brilliant your mind or strategy, if you're playing a solo game, you'll always lose to a team." In an article published a few weeks ago in Nature Human Behavior, a team of researchers from Microsoft studied collaboration amongst over 60,000 professionals and found that essentially collaboration is like a muscle which develops over time. A willingness to share information fosters alignment and builds trust, which is the most important shared value for effective partnerships. People who trust each other and truly collaborate will tend to ensure that transferred knowledge is well understood and can be utilized. Open communication and clearly defined rules of engagement, such as setting expectations for sharing credit and authorship, are important to avoid later disagreements and deterioration of the team, and act as a solid foundation upon which to build essential trust. One of the main ways in which organizations gain collaborative advantage by working with others is through co-innovation, meaning joint innovation or R&D initiatives. This sometimes takes the form of collaboration between private sector firms and inter-sector partnerships, specifically between industries and universities. These types of collaboration initiatives are also established for the purpose of exchanging knowledge and expertise. When it comes to sharing equipment and resources, the University of Strathclyde in UK, with financial support by the Engineering and Physical Science Research Council, is set to create a nationwide multi-scale metrology suite for next-generation health nanotechnologies. The facility will provide scientists from across the UK with access to world-leading technology for the analysis of materials, supporting the discovery of diagnostics and therapies of the future. It will be the first of its kind facility in the UK, enabling combined physical and chemical analysis of prototype nanotechnologies. Early stage collaboration and later stage competition, therein lie the opportunity. Our main mission at NWA is to tackle both of these challenges. On the one hand, helping emerging companies to virtually engage with the world's largest nanotechnology network, to facilitate opportunities and to foster relationships and build bridges, and ultimately help research move out from the labs and succeed in a competitive market. Therefore, the key is to use the global movement towards virtual workplaces and communities and use it to expand your respective social spheres outward and globally, thus enriching the accessible audience to collaborate and grow with. A good way to get started is to join an online community, participate in events offline as well as online, such as this Nano Symposium. Together we have the power to inspire, connect, and deliver rich experiences that can open doors to innovation and progress while growing global economies and increasing well-being. And welcome, and may these next 2 days be collaborative and transformative. Thank you.